So you're having a group of friends over and you want to make something that's really impressive and obviously delicious, but you don't want to be stuck in the kitchen because you don't want to miss out on all the socializing. This is the recipe for you. My name is Sarah, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Dutch oven country roast chicken. Dutch ovens are the ideal vessel for cooking a roast chicken, not only because you can just throw all your veggies in there at once, making a one-pot wonder just a breeze, but it makes cleanup super simple. Also, the high walls of a Dutch oven are really helpful because they help control the moisture inside, leaving you with a really juicy chicken. All right, let's get cooking. So, the first thing you're gonna do, take your chicken out of the fridge for about 30 minutes beforehand, and this is about a 3-pound chicken. Taking it out beforehand is just going to lead to better browning and also make your chicken easier to work with. And while it's just chilling, you can go ahead and start chopping your vegetables. So I've got an onion here, and I'm going to just cut this into 1/8. You can keep them slightly large because these are just gonna go into the cavity of the chicken. Just going to add a lot of flavor. Just getting rid of my skin here. A lot of people try to take the skin off the onion before they chop it. I like to just give at least a 1/2 or a 1/4 on it because look how easy it is to take it off once you've already cut into it. So much simpler. All right, so we've got our onion ready here. Just gonna move this to the front and we're gonna start on our celery. So we only need 2 stalks of celery here. Set these over here to the side. And we are only looking for about a 4-inch chop on here. So I'm just gonna get rid of the end here. And then we're gonna go about 4 inches. Easy enough. Then we just have about 4 sprigs of parsley, and again, super rough chop. This is just going into the cavity with the onion and the celery. And for our potatoes, you can just leave these whole. They go into the Dutch oven as is, making it even easier. It's time to season and stuff our chicken, and the first thing that we're gonna do is take our 1 teaspoon of salt and put that inside the cavity. This is going to help season the veggies that are inside, just giving the chicken an overall really nice flavor as it cooks inside the Dutch oven. And we're going in with our fresh thyme as well. So now that we've got our salt and thyme, we can go in with our veggies. It's okay if all of your celery and onions don't fit. Just do the best that you can to get as much as possible in there. These veggies are gonna work together with the salt and the thyme to create a really nice flavor that's coming from inside this chicken as it cooks. And some more onion, get your parsley. Now you can place your chicken into your greased Dutch oven and place your lid on. Keeping the lid on is going to help create a really moist environment in there, and that's gonna help your chicken become really juicy. So this is gonna go right into a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes. We're gonna take the lid off of our Dutch oven at this point after the first bake time. Oh, it's already smelling so good. Now it's time to season the chicken. So with the rest of our salt, we're going to sprinkle over top. This not only helps with flavor, but this is going to help our skin get nice and crispy. All right, lovely. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our potatoes. It's nice that you can just leave these whole, not only because it's really easy and saves on any prep time, but also because the potatoes will cook at the same time as it takes the chicken to finish cooking. Therefore, you're not left with, potatoes that either aren't done cooking or are too soft in the center. And we're gonna go ahead and dump in our broth. Perfect. Now we just pop this right back into the oven, uncovered, for another 25 minutes. After 25 minutes of cooking, we're gonna bump the temperature up to 400 degrees, and with the lid off and the moisture escaping, combined with the increase in temperature, it's gonna allow the skin to get really golden and crispy. After about 10 to 15 minutes, we're gonna check the temperature of the bird by inserting a thermometer at the thickest point of the thigh, and we're looking for about 170 to 175 degrees. So we are almost done here. Our chicken is on our platter out of our Dutch oven, still very warm. We're going to tent it with foil and just let it sit for about 15 minutes like this. This is gonna help redistribute the juices throughout the chicken and just make sure it's super juicy. And that's it, a showstopper of a meal on its own, and if you do happen to have leftovers, you can make chicken salad, sandwiches, save your bones to make a soup, really yummy homemade broth. The best part about this recipe, obviously it's delicious, but it is so simple.